Welcome to the presentation on Using Learning Management System for Training and eLearning. In this presentation, we will see how LMS can be useful in planning, designing, delivering, and managing training. You will also get tips on how you can use some of the features of LMS effectively to keep pace with the current needs. Figure shows respondents distributed across a set of industries, with the highest population of respondents being those working in higher education, followed by e-learning service providers. Training needs analysis is an integral part of the learning management system. Ideally, an LMS administrator should be involved in your need to conduct surveys and interviews on behalf of the organization. Gather information about the training that is required for managers and their direct reports, and prepare training plans. Finally, you need to create or update trainings and upload on the LMS. Some of the key benefits of LMS are: it reduces costs of delivering and managing learning, rapidly deploys targeted learning, particularly in case of organizations which have geographically dispersed presence, provides learning that is just in time and not just in case, access training anytime and anywhere. Also beneficial to create and manage classroom trainings. Employee learning and training has become most important for organizations to achieve their business goals. There are various forms of training, such as the classroom training, which is a traditional form of training. Then you have virtual classroom training, where learners and trainers get connected virtually. Finally, we have e-learning courses or online trainings that can be accessed anytime and anywhere by learners. A learning management system proves very useful in administering and managing all of these trainings. Learning management systems plays an important role in planning, developing, and managing trainings in any organization. It helps to centralize and automate the administration of trainings, deliver online training and manage classroom trainings, assemble and deliver the learning content rapidly, reuse the knowledge by using learning modules in different combinations as per the need of the target audience. With the learning management system, it is very easy to organize training based on various parameters, such as the learning content through the learning portal. It makes it easy for the trainer to schedule, deliver, and also monitor trainings. It helps to measure the performance and assists in identifying training gaps. Helps to meet organizational training goals and objectives. As a part of the planning process, you need to set up the training calendar in the LMS. This is used to create a curriculum and set up a schedule that is convenient to all concerned. Display the scheduled trainings to the user. Allow users to add the training to their personal calendar. Check instructors' and learners' availability and configure their calendar accordingly. And for scheduling classroom training. An LMS allows you to create training programs and track all aspects of its deployment. With a little planning and user-friendly LMS tools, users can create their account and can be grouped into hierarchical or standard user groups. It also helps to organize courses and curriculum into a hierarchical catalog that users can browse through and search to find the training they need and optionally self-register. Courses can be assigned based on the roles of individual users. The LMS and e-learning courses can be made multilingual to support global audiences. Training will be more effective if it is provided in a trainee's native language. Learning management system can organize and culture trainings for different types and audiences. Designing training program through LMS includes uploading courses according to the selected category, uploading reference manuals like PDFs, PPTs, Word documents, etc. Creating classroom training based on training plan. You can also design question banks in the LMS. You can use Quiz Engine to build quizzes. Create different types of questions, which can be reused in different quizzes. Set up number of attempts for the questions. Display selected questions from a pool of questions. Set the passing score. And also add prerequisites like e-learning course and classroom training. These types of quizzes can be used as pre-test and post-test to evaluate learner knowledge. As a part of designing training programs through LMS, you can add job aids and other information. These are documents that show how to perform frequently used LMS functions quickly and consistently. Job aids can be easily uploaded on the LMS and shared with all users. The first step in the process is to initiate the training. LMS makes it easier to assign the training to various audiences based on their profiles and send the introductory mails along with the user ID and password to access the LMS and complete the assigned training and test. It also helps to develop evaluation templates and attach them to trainings and add a course completion certificate at the end of the curriculum. Next aspect in developing training is marketing and communication. LMS can be used to motivate learners to take up e-learning courses by informing learners about them through emails. You can also have announcements to new courses in the home page in interesting formats, such as animations. Courses need to have a good and accurate description so that learners understand its benefits and get motivated to take up those courses. LMS can also be linked to the existing website or portal for better usage. To perform these functions, a dedicated team for end-user support and communication is a must. LMS facilitates competency management. You can track and manage workforce competencies to ensure alignment with business goals. Competency management allows for the identification of skill gaps and learning paths needed to fix them. With the click of a button, you can set certification and recertification periods for each course, send automated email notifications and reminders using email templates, or create customized certification reminders. Create reports to track company certification progress. LMS can help organizations evaluate individual training needs by evaluating learners' course progress and their feedback on training material. Standard certifications can be set based on users' performance. So, to keep pace with the changing business environment and the market scenario, let's look at how you can effectively use LMS. Use My Learning Dashboard to assign classroom and e-learning courses and to provide choice of learning paths. Include bite-sized individual learning that is multiple language and multiple device compatible. It also doubles up as a repository of resources that are easily accessible. Promote group and community learning through chats, blogs, and social media. Lastly, ensure you have a dedicated team that helps to market and manage courses. Let's look at them in detail. With multiple learning paths, learners have the freedom to choose any path to complete training, rather than being forced to take a traditional sequential path. They can thus skip a few modules or jump to any module based on their knowledge and experience. The training should be made accessible in multiple formats, which enables learners to access it through laptops, PCs, smartphones, iPads, iPhones, etc. Resources, or eRoom, is a repository of information that learners can download or set as a favorite. They can also share it with other people. You could also have a personal resource collection, which will store all the favorites or resources stored by an individual user. A direct link to personal resources can be made available in the dashboard itself for the convenience of the user. Dashboard also provides access to all the other training through catalog or by search. Most LMSs today support collaborative learning, as you can include social media, discussion, blogs, and chats as an integral part of the LMS. To summarize, the objective of LMS is to provide technology-enabled learning. It is not just a means of tracking and evaluating the training. LMS is used to deliver training, administering courses, and tracking learner performance. And LMS has a great potential to organize all the learning solutions provided by organizations under one central platform. To read more such articles, please visit blog.comlabindia.com. Thank you.